Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel RGL Innovations. This video is all about how to make floor water flood sensor rod switch from an old igniter rod. Install the two igniter rods into the utility electrical box. Install the number 18-2 wires into the utility electrical box. Hook up the wires into the terminals of the two igniter rods. Put the cover of the utility electrical box. It is ready to use for floor water flood sensor alarm. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and share. See you next time.